Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. First, pick a strong master password you can remember, 12 or more characters with mixed types, because this protects everything. Once chosen, install Dashlane's app and the browser extension on your main device. This lets Dashlane capture logins automatically. Make sure to enable sync so passwords move between devices. Finally, activate Biometric Unlock or 2FA for convenience and security. This reduces risk if your master password is exposed and makes daily access faster. Now you'll capture and tidy your credentials. As you log into sites, allow the Dashlane extension to save them so autofill works. This speeds sign-in across devices. If you have an existing store, import from a CSV or another manager, then scan for duplicates and weak passwords to prioritize fixes. Organize entries into folders or tags and attach secure notes for credit cards or recovery codes. You'll save time and reduce risk because a clean vault makes automated password changes and sharing more reliable. Finish by securing and syncing everything. Run Dashlane's security dashboard to identify weak or reused passwords and follow the suggested updates to strengthen your vault. Enable the automatic password changer on supported sites to replace vulnerable passwords quickly, and schedule periodic reviews so problems don't accumulate. If something goes wrong, like sync failures or missing items, make sure devices are online, check app permissions, and sign out then back in. If that fails, use account recovery steps or contact Dashlane.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.